Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Benks product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Benks for sending me the glass wire tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 17 Air. This is a dummy device, the perfect tool to review cases with and do a screen protector install and review. I have used the glass wire tempered glass screen protector on two other devices, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. No issues whatsoever when it comes to the touch response. In fact, right now I'm using the S25 Edge to shoot this video with that still has the glass wire screen protector on it. The S25 Ultra, well, that device got sent in for my Z Fold 7. I'm going to give you as much as I can so you can get a visual on what the screen protector is going to look like on the iPhone 17 Air and how it's going to work, not just with a Benks case that I have right here, the Aurora, made with Kevlar. It's one of my favorite cases. And we're going to try the UAG Plasma XTE as well. I may throw another case in here once I get the install done and we can just get a good look at what it looks like on the iPhone 17 Air. And again, there's not any concerns whatsoever when it comes to touch response. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get a good look at the packaging here. Since 2008, glass wire screen protector, tempered glass screen protector, HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, scratch resistant, sapphire coating designed for the iPhone 17 Air. On the back, we got some more information here. Strengthened dust proof, strong anti-fingerprint, enhanced impact resistance, full coverage protection, responsive touch, smooth hand sensation. And you got some more information there, so please read everything. And I think we can just do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that out of the way. This is your dust absorber. Since 2008. So we're going to just put that right there. Here you have some instructions on how to apply the tempered glass screen protector from Benks, the glass wire. Please read everything. You're obviously going to follow what I do in this video.
And this right here, this little foamy pad here, is to keep your iPhone 17 Air in place. Now, it's going to slide a little bit. Actually, my desk mat here works just as good. I don't know, maybe not. This might be a little better. Well, we'll see. We'll see as we go through the process. And here you have the accessories to clean the display of your iPhone 17 Air. You get a microcloth. Some more dust absorbers. I may just use those little guys there. And here we have the alcohol prep wipe.
And here is the kit that houses the tempered glass screen protector. If you look really close, you can see all the way around the tempered glass screen protector, you have this black trim that's going to match the outer trim of your iPhone 17 Air. It's not going to get in the way of the actual iPhone 17 Air display. You got some instructions on the protective film there. Please read everything. So once everything is nice and clean on the display, we're going to lay the top area right up in here. And we're going to pull on that little flap there. And everything should come out perfect. So let's go ahead and get all of this out of the way. And then what I'm going to do is speed up the video just a little bit here so we can not be here forever. Okay, so let's do this. I had to put the brakes on. Why? Well, because I forgot that I have the Rinky Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector on here. That also has that black trim all the way around. This tempered glass screen protector has worked with every case I have reviewed for the iPhone 17 Air. Rinky, way to go. Thank you so much. And now, let's speed up the video. Okay, so now we want to release number 2 there, away from where it is attached. Same thing right here with number 3. Then we want to press right in here. That's going to make sure that the tempered glass screen protector is properly adhered, sticking to the display of the 17 Air. Okay. And then make sure that's completely detached. Then we're going to do that. If there's any bubbles, just work them out with your microcloth. I got to tell you, folks, that looks like a huge thumbs up. That is awesome. So let me clean up my mess here. Okay, I'm back. I'm adding another case. This is the Rinky magnetic stone silicone case that just feels great. And if you have this case, then you know what I'm talking about. And you actually have this really nice plush suede on the inside of the case there. That's definitely going to protect the back of your iPhone 17 Air. But we're here to test the glass wire from Benks to make sure that we don't have any lifting whatsoever. No lifting. And again, the touch response is going to be awesome. Yeah, no issues. Wow, that looks nice. This is the Benks Aurora made with Kevlar. No issues. No issues whatsoever. You definitely need a glass protector when you're sporting a minimalistic case like this. Okay. Going naked? No bueno. Having something is better than nothing, folks. And I got to tell you, this right here is very minimalistic, but it's a very bold, solid, tough case from Benks with a lot of protection around the camera area. Very minimal lip action going on the front, so you need the glass wire for that extra protection. Okay. The Plasma XTE from UAG. No issues. No issues, folks. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks really, really nice. There are reviews on all of these cases, so you can go check those out. You only get one glass wire in the packaging, so please read everything. If you have to, head over to YouTube, watch a couple videos, feel good about what you're going to do as far as the process of the installation. Find time during your day that you're not going to be busy, no one's going to bother you, you're relaxed, you're ready to be patient, and enjoy it. Enjoy it. Give your iPhone 17 Air the love that it deserves. You know what I'm saying? Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Benks, huge thumbs up. Once again, you've done good. You've done real good.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
And with that, if there's any questions, man, I love this case. Please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase the glassware will be down below in the description area. And I'll leave links for the cases that were in this video as well. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.